In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leverage ClickUp for your accounting and financial firm. As we navigate this journey, you'll see how ClickUp can become an indispensable tool by consolidating client management, streamlining workflows, and enhancing internal operations all on one secure, auditable platform. This is especially vital in an industry where efficiency and compliance are paramount. To begin, let's talk about building a centralized client management hub. This is crucial because having everything in one place drastically increases your efficiency. You'll want to create a dedicated space for all your client-facing work. Within this space, each client should have their own folder. This approach allows you to neatly organize all projects, communications, and documents pertinent to each client. To make your work even more effective, use custom fields to track important client data. This data becomes incredibly useful as it allows you to filter and report on various parameters, giving you deep insights at a glance. Moving forward, let's explore how automating recurring workflows can save you time and reduce errors. Recurring tasks like monthly reports or annual filings are the backbone of any accounting firm. Setting these tasks to recur automatically ensures consistency and that nothing is missed. For the best results, create a template for each of your key services. This template should include all necessary tasks and subtasks, ensuring that your team knows exactly what needs to be done at every step of the process. Next up is streamlining your internal operations, an area where efficiency can lead to greater productivity. For this, you can harness the power of a separate space designed specifically for managing internal business tasks. Within this dedicated space, create lists for different functions such as finance and billing or hiring and onboarding. This organization keeps your administrative tasks in order, allowing your team to focus on what's truly important without getting bogged down by unnecessary clutter. Lastly, let's address ensuring compliance and oversight. In the financial world, compliance is non-negotiable, which is why ClickUp's full audit trail feature is so vital. Every change made to a task is logged in its history, providing a comprehensive audit trail. Additionally, you can build a dashboard to get a real-time overview of your firm's health. This dashboard becomes a powerful tool, enabling you to track employee workload and upcoming client deadlines all at once. By leveraging these strategies within ClickUp, your accounting firm can efficiently consolidate and manage various aspects of your operations, ultimately enhancing both productivity and compliance. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find these insights helpful in optimizing ClickUp for your needs.